Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert a table in Squarespace. In this walkthrough, we'll add a clean, functional table to a page using Squarespace's built-in editor. We'll stay entirely within your site editor, make the change in a single block, and then save so it's live. Start by opening your site and heading to the main dashboard. From there, go to the website section to access your pages and content. This puts you in the area where you can manage what visitors see. When you're ready to make changes, enter editing mode by clicking Edit at the top. You'll know you're in the right place when you can hover over sections and see options to add content. Choose the spot on the page where you want your table to appear. Click Add Block to open the block picker. Scroll until you find the code block and select it. The code block lets you insert custom antavistamento, which is perfect for a simple, accessible table. We're keeping it light. No scripts or advanced features, just the clean structure a table needs. If the editor for the block doesn't open automatically, click the small edit icon on the block to bring up the code panel. You'll see a plain text area where you can paste or type your table markup. When the sample code appears on screen, feel free to pause the video and copy it exactly into the code block. The example uses standard HTML with a table element, optional thied for headers, and rows made of tr, th, and td tags. Keep your headings short and your number of columns reasonable so the table stays readable on mobile. If you need to update cell text later, just return to this block and edit the content in place. As you work, watch the live preview on the right. Your table will inherit your site's fonts, colors, and spacing, so it should blend with your design automatically. If something doesn't look right, check that each opening tag has a matching closing tag. Simple mistakes like a missing TD or an extra bracket can affect the layout. When everything looks good, save your changes by clicking Save at the top left. This applies the update to your page. After saving, view the page as a visitor would and quickly scan your table on desktop and on your phone to confirm it's easy to read. That's it. You've added a table to Squarespace using a single code block, keeping your content flexible and on brand.